Hello everyone, welcome to the session. In the previous session, we already discussed what is trigonometric equation, what is a principal solution and the general solutions of trigonometric equations. To find the principal solution of the given equation, we must remember this table. See this, the equation f of x is equal to k. The interval in which principal solution lies. Number 1. If sin x is equal to k, the interval in which the principal solution of sin x equal to k lies in the interval closed interval minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2. Second one is cos x equal to k. The interval in which the principal solution lies is 0 comma pi. Closed interval 0 comma pi. Third one is tan x is equal to k. Open interval minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2. Fourth one, cot x equal to k. Interval is open interval 0 comma pi. Fifth one, cosecant x equal to k. The interval in which principal solution lies is closed interval minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2 minus 0. Sixth one, secant x equal to k. The interval is closed interval 0 comma pi minus singleton pi by 2. To find the principal solutions of the given equation, we must remember this table. See the first problem. Find the principal solutions of the angles in the equation. First one is 2 cos square theta equal to 1. Second one is 3 tan square theta equal to 1. See the first problem. Given equation is 2 cos square theta is equal to 1. Here cos square theta is equal to 1 by 2. Cos theta is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2. There are two cases arise. First case is cos theta is equal to 1 by root 2. And the second case is cos theta is equal to minus 1 by root 2. If in the first case cos theta equal to cos pi by 4, theta is equal to pi by 4. We know that the principal domain of cos theta equal to k is closed interval 0 comma pi. Here theta equal to pi by 4 lies in the principal domain. Therefore, the principal solution of this equation is theta equal to pi by 4. Here in the second case, cos theta equal to minus cos pi by 4. Cos theta is equal to cos of pi minus pi by 4. Here cos is negative in the second quadrant. Convert the angle into second quadrant. Cos pi minus pi by 4. Cos theta is equal to cos 3 pi by 4. theta is equal to 3 pi by 4. Here theta equal to 3 pi by 4 lies in the principal domain of cos function. Therefore, the principal solutions of the given equation are principal solution of given equation. Given equation is 2 cos square theta is equal to 1 or pi by 4 comma 3 pi by 4. 5 by 4 comma 3 pi by 4. See the second bit, 3 tan square theta equal to 1. 3 tan square theta equal to 1. Tan square theta is equal to 1 by 3. Tan theta is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 3. Here two cases arise. First case is tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3 or tan theta is equal to minus 1 by root 3. Here in the first case, tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3 is tan pi by 6. Here theta is equal to pi by 6. And in the second case, tan theta is equal to minus tan pi by 6. Tan theta is equal to tan of minus pi by 6. Tan of minus pi by 6. Theta is equal to minus pi by 6. Here theta equal to pi by 6 and theta equal to minus pi by 6 lies in the principal domain of tan theta equal to k, that is pi by 6 minus pi by 6 lies in the principal domain of tan, that is open interval minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2. Therefore, principal solutions are pi by 6 comma minus pi by 6. See the next problem. Find the general solution of the equation 5 cos square theta plus 7 sin square theta is equal to 6. We convert the given equation into single variable. For this, we can write cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Here, the given equation is 5 cos square theta plus 7 sin square theta. 7 sin square theta is equal to 6. We convert the given equation into single variable. By using the identity formula, we can write cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta plus 7 sin square theta is equal to 6. So 5 minus 5 sin square theta plus 7 sin square theta is equal to 6. Adding these two terms, 2 sin square theta is equal to 6 minus 5, that is 1. Sin square theta is equal to 1 by 2. Sin square theta is equal to 1 by root 2 whole square. Sin square theta is equal to, we know 1 by root 2 is sin pi by 4. Here 1 by root 2 whole square is sin square pi by 4. Sin square pi by 4. We know that the general solution for sin square theta equal to sin square alpha is sin square theta equal to sin square alpha. General solution is theta is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha, where n belongs to z. Therefore, the general solution of the given equation, is theta is equal to n pi plus or minus, Here alpha is pi by 4. So theta equal to n pi plus or minus pi by 4 where n belongs to z. See the next problem. Find the general solution of 2 sin square theta equal to 3 cos theta. Here the given equation is 2 sin square theta is equal to 3 cos theta. We convert the given equation into single variable. For this, by using identity formula, we can write sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. 2 into 1 minus cos square theta is equal to 3 cos theta. Multiplying 2, we get 2 minus 2 cos square theta is equal to 3 cos theta. Rearranging this equation, we get 2 cos square theta plus 3 cos theta minus 2 is equal to 0. Put cos theta is equal to t. Cos theta equal to t. The given equation becomes 2t square plus 3t minus 2 equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation in t. Factorize, we get 2t square plus 4t minus t minus 2 equal to 0. From first two terms, 2t common. 2t into t plus 2. Minus 1 common from last two terms. Minus 1 into t plus 2 is equal to 0. Here t plus 2 common. T plus 2 into 2t minus 1 equal to 0. Here t plus 2 is equal to 0 or 2t minus 1 equal to 0. T is equal to minus 2 or t is equal to 1 by 2. Here there are two cases arise. Here case 1 is t is equal to minus 2. We know that cos theta equal to t. Here cos theta is equal to minus 2. We know that cos theta lies in the interval minus 1 comma plus 1. Here cos theta is equal to minus 2 does not exist. Does not exist. There is no solution in this case. No solution. The second case is if t is equal to 1 by 2. T equal to 1 by 2. That is cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. Cos theta is equal to cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 3. We know that the general solution of cos theta equal to cos alpha. Cos theta equal to cos alpha is theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha where n belongs to z. Therefore, general solution is theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. By comparing these two equations, alpha is pi by 3. So theta equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3 where n belongs to z. See the next problem. Solve 1 plus sin square theta equal to 3 sin theta cos theta. The given equation is 1 plus sin square theta is equal to 3 sin theta cos theta. 3 sin theta cos theta. Dividing both sides by cos square theta, we get 1 by cos square theta plus sin square theta by cos square theta is equal to 3 sin theta cos theta by cos square theta. Cos square theta. Here 1 by cos square theta is secant square theta plus Sin square theta by cos square theta is tan square theta is equal to 3 sin theta cos theta by cos square theta. Here 1 cos theta cancel. 3 into sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. From identity formula, we know that secant square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. Here 1 plus tan square theta plus tan square theta is equal to 3 tan theta. So 1 plus 2 tan square theta is equal to 3 tan theta. Rearranging this equation, we get 2 tan square theta minus 3 tan theta plus 1 is equal to 0. Put tan theta equal to t. Tan theta is equal to t. We get 2t square minus 3t plus 1 equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation in t. Factorize, we get 2t square minus 2t minus t plus 1 equal to 0. Here in first two terms, 2t as common. 2t into t minus 1. In second two terms, minus 1 as common. Minus 1 into t minus 1 equal to 0. Here t minus 1 into 2t minus 1 is equal to 0. So t minus 1 equal to 0 and 2t minus 1 equal to 0. We have t minus 1. T minus 1 equal to 0 or 2t minus 1 is equal to 0. T is equal to 1 or t is equal to 1 by 2. Here there are two cases arise. Case 1 is, case 1, if t equal to 1, we know that tan theta equal to t. Here tan theta is 1. Tan theta is equal to tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4. We know that the general solution for tan theta equal to tan alpha. Tan theta equal to tan alpha is theta is equal to n pi plus alpha, where n belongs to z. Therefore, general solution is theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. Here alpha is pi by 4. So, the general solution is theta equal to n pi plus pi by 4, where n belongs to z. If in case 2, case 2 is t is equal to 1 by 2. That is tan theta is equal to 1 by 2. Here we can take 1 by 2 is equal to tan alpha. Here alpha equal to tan inverse of 1 by 2. Alpha equal to tan inverse of 1 by 2. Now this equation becomes tan theta equal to 1 by 2 is tan alpha. Now it is in the form tan theta equal to tan alpha. We know that the general solution of tan theta equal to tan alpha is theta equal to n pi plus alpha. So general solution is theta is equal to n pi plus alpha, where n belongs to z. Theta is equal to n pi plus, here alpha is tan inverse of 1 by 2. Tan inverse of 1 by 2, where n belongs to z.